Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get the most flawless melt, and I promise you this is beginner friendly. I try to break it down really well for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys all the products you need to achieve this. So if you want to learn, please keep on watching. Let's get into this wig. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Alipearl, and this is what it looks like straight out the box. So it does come curled, which I was kind of like, oh, okay. And pre-plucked, pre-bleach, HD lace. All the hair info will be in the description box down below. And this hair is 13x6 frontal. So this is what it looks like fresh out the box. And I was pretty impressed with the hairline because I don't know if they have a new wig maker over there, but this hairline looked pretty clean. And yeah, that really means that I don't really have to do a whole lot of work to it to make it look really good. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This melting spray is by yours truly. All the info will be in description box down below. So I apply this onto my wig cap and I let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go ahead and I cut away all that extra wig cap that I don't need. Before I apply any glue to my skin, I use my skin protector first, and this is going to enhance the glue performance, and it just shields against any kind of body perspiration. I don't know about you, but I do tend to sweat because I do work out a lot. So I'm gonna apply my skin protector, and I apply it on a cotton pad along all the areas where I will be applying glue. I've already applied foundation to my wig cap as well, so I'm using the HD wig cap, and I apply foundation just to block out my hair so you can't really see it peeping through. I mean, you can see it because the wig cap is very thin, but at the sides I do apply quite a bit of foundation on the sides. However, I lost that clip. Now as you can see, I just parted the side of my hair, and I'm just gonna go in with my little scissors and cut away the extra lace on the sides because I don't need the lace. Now I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue, and I'm going to apply this along my forehead area. Then I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb, and I'm going to go ahead and spread that glue like butter. For this I added 2 layers of glue, and honestly this video I filmed this like 5 days ago. My wig is still on my head, she's still intact, and I only used 2 layers of glue. You do want to wait for the glue to dry clear, okay? Make sure you do that and then pull the lace down, because if you don't wait for it to dry clear, you're gonna see the glue peeping through. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just kind of melt that lace down. You can also use a blow dryer. I like to use my blow dryer, but child, I had no idea where it was, so I had to go in with my hot comb, and it works just as well. So I'm just going ahead and just kind of melting down that glue, and I'm gonna go in with this melting band. This one comes with the wig. It's from Alipearl. So I apply the melting band. I left it on for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace, but I do like to take out the little pieces of hair in the front just to customize it to match my hairline, because I naturally have a widow's peak, so I like to keep one in my wigs. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that extra lace because we don't need it. I like to cut my lace in sections. As you can see, I don't just do one big cut. I do like 3 little sections first, but I cut the first part, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the sides away. I had to do the video like this because I made this video in vertical for Instagram, so now I'm using some of the clips for that video. But yeah, I'm just cutting away all that extra lace on the sides because we don't need that. And honestly, I was pretty impressed with this hairline, but I do still have to do a little bit of work to it. I don't know why my voice just got cut off during trying to do this audio, but yeah, I had to do some work to it. But this is what the wig looks like, and it's not melted, so you can see that line on the forehead still, so we gotta melt that down. And I'm gonna go in my tweezer and just tweeze up the hairline just a tad bit. Not a lot of tweezing is necessary with this wig because I said the hairline did look pretty good, but you know, the perfectionist in me wanted it to look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb again, and once again, you guys, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. Yeah, the knots are pre-bleached, and it was pretty impressive. Now I'm going to go in with the melting spray because we're going to melt her down. So I put the melting spray right at the edge of the wig, on the lace on the edges, to melt it down. And I go in and just use my finger just to pat it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie a melting band on the edge. I use a smaller one to tie it on the edge because I really want to make sure that lace is melted down to perfection. And I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. And I'm just going to go do my makeup off camera and come right back, and she's looking like a whole new person. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of layers. Honestly, I did really nothing. And this is how it's looking. So I did not even curl the wig. These were the natural curls. Now, I will tell you right now with this wig, even though it was pre-bleach, pre-plucked, behind the hairline the knots were not bleached. So the front was bleached, but the behind the hairline I could see visible knots. So if you're a perfectionist, you might want to bleach it, but I figured I might just leave it alone for the video. It still looks pretty good, I think, and I do love this hair. The one problem that I had with the hair though, I feel like there was just a little bit of shedding, but not a lot, but there was a little shedding, but overall it was pretty good. Now I really love how this hair, the wig style and everything turned out. I even pulled it back off my face so you guys can see what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think of this style as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.